Hello, Paul here from A.D Automotive. Coming by Sydney, I've got this Porsche Cayman A.D 7.1 that I was working on, doing the coolant bottle. I had to stop some work because I need to do something else, and now I'm back onto the car. I've removed the spark plugs and ignition coils out already. So the reason why I do that is because I need to actually clean the intake manifold by using liquid moly intake cleaner. So when you put the actual spray it into the actual individual ports, like that one there, so you pretty much, that's cylinder 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and then what you do is spray it into there, and then you crank the engine to get the actual stuff out of the intake. You don't want to spray too much stuff in there. What's going to happen, you're going to end up hydraulic lock the actual system, and you can actually damage your engine. So the only way to do it is spray it at the same time, clean it at the same time, take the spark plug out and crank it so it all comes out through the actual spark plugs, but not into your exhaust. Otherwise, the oil will go sit there and burn in the exhaust and create smoke. Alright, but before I remove this off, just want to show you what I found on the intake pipe, the main intake pipe from bank 1 to bank 2. Sorry, from the oil separator to bank 2. So that pipe there goes there, connects to the side of the oil separator, goes around here like that, goes around this way, and comes back here, goes around there, goes inside there, inside here, and goes to the bottom there. See that bottom hose there? That one's moving there. See, that hose looks like it's not even connected down there. Looks loose. Anyway, that's not really what I'm concerned about. What I'm concerned about is there's some duct tape there. There's some duct tape on this hose here, meaning this hose is broken, and there's someone who's used the duct tape. So I was just about to remove this to do my cleaning, and then I saw that. Probably it was on the video yesterday, but I didn't see it properly until today. But now we need a brand new one of these, because we've got to remove this anyway to do the cleaning, so we can actually fit it. You can see it there. Bit of a pain to do, but it's better to do it now than later on. So that's damaged, and someone's been here before, done some work on the car and taped it up like that. Alright, I think we're gonna carry on the cleaning. We're gonna finish the cleaning anyway, regardless. But I've got to order a new hose from Porsche for this car here. Alright, this is probably video part 2. Part 3 will be showing the cleaning. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.